The Fieldpiece wireless refrigerant scale, SR47, is tough, accurate, and portable to make your job easier, faster, and better. It features an oversized 13-inch platform designed with unique integrated bumpers, purposely engineered for durability and to fit even oversized refrigerant tanks. It has an industry-leading battery life of up to 200 plus hours, maximizing job site uptime. Plus, it only weighs 7 pounds, making it easy and convenient to carry on the job. But don't let its weight fool you. This lightweight scale handles up to a whopping 252 pounds of refrigerant. And just like any other Fieldpiece wireless product, the SR47 has a wireless range of 1,000 feet, so it easily syncs data with the JobLink app or to your S-Man 480V and S-Man 380V. As you'd expect, it's built to handle the rigors of any job site. Fieldpiece, our new heavyweight champion, is here.